Welcome to the EdbMails EDB to PST export, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails EDB to PST converter is a comprehensive and user-friendly tool designed to facilitate seamless conversion of Exchange database files into Outlook PST format. It recovers and exports mailboxes from corrupted, offline, and inaccessible EDB files and converts them into PST files. The software restores complete mailbox data, including emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, and attachments, and more while preserving the original folder structure and data integrity. With an easy-to-use interface, EdbMails EDB to PST converter simplifies the recovery and migration process, making it ideal for any user seeking efficient email recovery solutions. The tool supports recovery and export of offline EDB files from all versions of Exchange servers and offers advanced features such as selective mailbox export, preview of all items before export operation, split PST, and option to save EDB data to various formats such as EML, MHT, and HTML. It also allows direct migration to Office 365 and live Exchange servers. Let's see the step-by-step procedure to recover offline EDB and convert EDB to PST.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the EDB to PST, EDB to Office 365, EDB to Exchange, EDB public folder option.
Click Let's Go.
Click Browse for EDB. Select the EDB file. Click Open.
Click Continue.
Wait until recovery operation completion. Expand the mailbox. Click any folder to preview all the item. Select the folder that you wish to export. For EDB to PST export, ensure Outlook is installed on your computer with a profile. Click Export to Outlook PST. You can apply filters for folders and items. Export only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders.
Click Save.
If you want to split the PST files, enable this option and set the required size.
Click Continue.
Give a name for export job.
Click Continue.
Select the location to store the exported data. Export operation under progress. Upon export completion, you will receive the export completion message. Click the View Log button to get the export operation report. Now launch the Outlook application. Click File. Click Open and Export. Click Open Outlook Data File. Now open the PST file. Verify the exported items. That's it. For a hassle-free EDB to PST export, visit edbmails.com today.